Hello students, welcome to English class. Today we are going to learn grammar part, articles. Basically there are three types of articles in English. Which are these articles? Article A and the. So let's learn the use of it. We use article A before the words those begins with a consonant sound. In English accent there are 21 consonant sounds are given. So which are these words like B, C, D, H, etc. For example, a bat or a boy, a cat, a dog, a hat, etc. We use A before the consonant sound. So let's learn about article N. We use article N before the words those begins with a vowel sounds. In English there are 5 vowels, okay? A, E, I, O, U. For example, an apple, an elephant, an onion, etc. Now let's learn about the article the. We use article the before the words those have been previously mentioned or introduced. For example, give me the mobile. I have used article the. It means I am talking about a particular mobile which is familiar with me and with another person. So what we learned here, we use article A before consonant sound, we use article N before vowel, and we use article the before the things or names of the person or place which are familiar with me and other person. Okay, we use article A and N with singular and countable. Okay, same rule is here about A and N, and article the we can use with singular nouns plus plural nouns. Now let's learn the use of it. We can use article A and N with singular and countable nouns, and we can use the article the with singular plus plural nouns. Now let's learn about definite and indefinite articles. Article A and N are indefinite article. Indefinite article means what? Those articles are general, means not a specific or particular. It called indefinite articles. See, example, I need a phone. Here we have used article A. It denotes any phone, not a specific phone. Second one example, that is an excellent book. An excellent. This word begins with vowel E. That's why we have used here an. Okay. It describes what kind of book it is. See, phone, excellent book. These are singular and we can count it. So, got it this rule? Now let's learn about the. See, third example. Did you read the book which I gave you? Question mark. Okay. Here we use article the. The is a definite article. It refers a particular or specific thing. It means which has been previously mentioned or introduced. You are familiar with that book. Okay. That's why we use here the book. Remember, some words may begin with a vowel but may have a consonant sound. Okay. We learned that there are 5 types of vowel. A, E, I, O, U. So, as per the rule, uniform. As per the rule, what should be here? An. But it's a wrong. Okay. What's the correct article? A. A is the correct article. Why it is correct? Because the pronunciation, uniform. Okay. We pronounced like YU, and Y is a consonant. That's why A article is correct here. Now see next one, an university or a university. Here also an is wrong. This article is wrong. Which article is correct? A university. Yes. Just we learn here because this word pronounce the sound as a consonant. Y. Same like this. An unique or a unique. An is wrong. Okay. What is the correct? A unique. See the now next rule. Some words may begins with a consonant sound but may have a vowel sound. See here, a hour or an hour. While reading these words, which one is correct? As per the rule, a hour should be correct, but it's a wrong. Okay, why it's a wrong? While reading this H is silent. We read only these letters R. Okay, an R. honorable, wrong it is. What is the correct? An honorable. Okay, here also H is silent. We read only this much letters. While writing we write H, but it is a silent. Same with a honest, wrong it is. An honest. Okay, so here which word we pronounce? O. Okay, starting with honorable, honest. Okay, and O is a vowel sound. That's why we use here an R, an honorable, an honest. Keep it in mind. Let's learn about the article the. The is a definite article. Okay, definite article means what? We use before the specific thing, person or place. Okay, it has some specific rules when you have to use article the. So let's learn. When we talk about a particular thing or person, that time we have to use the. Okay, my mother met the principal today. In this sentence, principal, okay, this is the particular person. So before the person, here have been used the, article the, with a noun that represents a whole class. Okay, the leopard can climb trees. In this sentence, the leopard, okay, the leopard, it expresses the class, okay, the category of the leopard animals can climb the trees. Next, with the names of mountain ranges, oceans, seas, rivers, gulfs, bays and deserts, okay, before it you have to use the. For example, the Himalayas, the Pacific Ocean, the Caspian Sea, the Brahmaputra, the Persian Gulf, the Bay of Bengal, the Thar Desert. Okay, Thar Desert. Now let's see next rule. With the names of monuments. Monuments means what? Like statue or buildings. Next, theatres, stadiums and auditoriums. For example, the Victoria Memorial, the Prithvi Theatre, the Barobarit Stadium, the Sri Fort Auditorium. Okay, before this, the monuments, theatres and stadiums, what we have used here? The. Okay, because these are the special things or places. Next one, with certain books and newspapers. For example, the Quran, it's a holy book. The newspaper, the Hindustan Times. Next, with the things that are only one of the kind, means universal. For example, the sun, the moon, etc. With trains, for example the Shatabdi or the Amritsar, like these trains. Before the names of specific trains or yes. Next, with the superlative degree of adjectives. For example, even the darkest cloud has a silver lining. Okay, here the darkest, this is the superlative degree. So before the superlative degree you have to use here the darkest, the coldest, the highest, like this.